Oh, Elon. More on Tesla coming up. Hey news friends, if you're interested in the latest tech news with a smart and relevant opinion, then you've come to the right place. Please consider subscribing. Today, we'll be talking about Tesla and their Q1 production targets for the Model 3. According to Analyst Gene Munster, it looks like Tesla's going to miss their Q1 production targets. Investors were expecting about 2,500 to 3,000 units a week. But at this point, with Tesla's current capability, it looks like they're only going to be able to produce 1,500 to 2,000 units a week. This has already been downgraded from Tesla's prediction that they will be able to produce 5,000 units a week by the end of 2017. What further proves that Tesla's having factory issues is a memo that was obtained by Bloomberg from Doug Field, Tesla's chief engineer. He challenged his factory workers to prove the haters wrong and produce over 300 units a week. Doing some quick math, 300 units a day times 5 days a week is about 1,500 units, right within their expected capability. The production delays for the Model 3 are starting to become a big concern. Tesla desperately needs to get the Model 3 going and running, like hard. The company's future outlook is depending on it. Moody's Investor Service actually downgraded Tesla's credit from stable to negative this past week. And that's because Tesla has a ton of negative cash burn right now. And they've been spending a ton on capital investments, but isn't getting that money back in the form of new cars sold. Coming up at the end of 2018 and into 2019, Tesla has over $1 billion in debt that they need to pay back. Elon has to be feeling the pressure to get the Model 3 rolling. Their stock is taking quite a hit from this negative outlook. One thing I did find interesting is how much they are spending in capital investments. Now, while it's great to have assets on your balance sheet, they're not going to do you much good if they're not producing any cash. And this is Tesla's problem right now. The majority of their capital is in plant, which is basically their factories, and that's the cash that they desperately need. Now they could turn this into cash by selling their factories, but what would be the point of that? Then they can't produce the cars which they need. I know Elon is a futuristic guy, but the amount of cash he has locked up in capital is like running before walking. He's so focused on creating a better future that his company could go down before it even gets there. That's how important getting the Model 3 up and running is. I think Tesla is the company of the future, and I'm willing to wait for my Model 3, but in order to wait, the company still needs to be in business. So let's hope Tesla can get the factory issues worked out ASAP and get the Model 3 going. Are you surprised at this outlook? When do you think Tesla will actually get their production in working order? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, until next time, this is Nukem384 saying I'll see you when I see ya.